now under the interrogative parts we have to learn the question tags. So how we have to learn that? This video about only the question tags. You should know, it's very important talk. You may get in the exam also. Okay, question tag is a type of question that is added a statement, a sentence. Added to a statement or sentence. Usually question tag has two parts, the statement and the sentence. The statement or the sentence and the tag. You see this. This is the statement and this is the tag. Here you can see the tag. Tag is in the form of question. The tag at the end we act like a tail. So it's a tag and at the end we add with the question mark, so it is a question tag, and this based on this statement only the question tag will be here. And we are going to learn how to write. Usually question tag has two parts. What is the statement and sentence and the tag? This is statement or sentence. Then the tag. Okay, we go for next, and here rules for writing question tags. There are some particular rules. If you follow the rules properly, if you remember and follow, you never do mistake. Okay, these are some rules to write question tag. Okay, first, rewrite the sentence and put the comma. If the sentence, some sentence will be given to you to make tag for the sentence. Suppose they had given one sentence. To that same sentence you rewrite and put comma after the sentence, but don't keep the full stop. Put comma only. Okay, write the helping verb of the given sentence in small letters. After comma you have to write the helping word from the given sentence to what you have written. Rewrite the same sentence. From the sentence you have to take out the helping verb, and after the comma you should rewrite. Now with the example we learn now. In the given sentence is in the if the given sentence is in positive, then after the helping verb we have to add the short form of not, that is nt. First what we have to do, we have to take the helping verb from the sentence. First we have to rewrite the sentence, put comma, then after we have to take out the helping verb from the sentence, and after that we have to add the short form of nt. Then after what should you do? Suppose if the given sentence is negative, then after helping verb we do not need to add the short form of nt. No need to write anything. If the sentence is negative, no need to write, just to take out the rewrite the sentence and take out the helping verb, then you go for next. But if it is the sentence is positive means not, negative means not, seldom, or these words are there, those are negative. Those words are not there, then it is positive. Okay, now we go for next. If the given sentence has the negative words like no, not, never, nothing, nobody, no one or none, scarcely, hardly, seldom, rarely, few, little, these are the negative words. If the sentence has these words, then the sentence is negative sentence. At the time we should not add the short form not or nt after helping verb. Okay, this is clear. What is the negative and what is the, generally you don't know that what is the negative morely. You know very well positive. These words are not there, those are positive. These words are there, those are negative. Generally more words also there. Just I added some, I have given some words only here. We have to add the subjective pronoun of the given subject. Or there are here 7 subjective pronouns. He, she, it, I, we, you, they. Only these 7 will come. Only these 7 will come in the tag. Subjective pronoun. Okay. Then I will tell how to write and all with the example. We have to add the subjective pronoun of the given subject. Finally we have to add question mark of the ending of the tag. Then write here. First, this sentence is given. Sri Devi is an actress, right? Okay. For that, first rule is what? We have to rewrite this. First what? we have to rewrite the sentence. Yes. After what? We have to put comma. Then second rule is what? What is the helping verb? Is. Okay, I will go for green. Is the helping verb. So you should write here is. And this is positive sentence or negative sentence? It is positive sentence. So I added NT short form. Don't write NOT not. NT only should write. And Sridevi is a male or female? Female. Female subjective pronoun. Subjective pronoun means she. Objective pronoun means her. Can we write here her? No. We should write here her subject. Sridevi subjective pronoun she. Then what? At the end we keep question mark. See, this is the correct way to write the question tag. Okay, first we have to rewrite, then put comma, then take out the helping verb and rewrite. Okay, from the same given sentence only. If it is positive, NT. If it is not positive, you don't write anything. If it is negative, don't write anything. And what is the subjective pronoun right here? At the end, keep question mark. Simple. Okay, now we go for next. Some examples. We are teaching with the help of smart boards. Okay, we are teaching with the help of smart boards. Same I write. Aren't we? What is the helping verb here? Are. So we have taken are. Is the positive sentence or negative sentence? Positive. So we write here negative form. And what is the subjective pronoun here? Already directly given. We should write here we. Aren't we? Aren't we don't write. Generally we write aren't we. Okay, today for this only I had taken this example. Today is not cool. Today is not cool. As easily we write comma, then after keep comma. What is the helping verb? Is, as we taken out is, and it is negative sentence. So we did not write here negative form. As we have written as it is. No, is it. Today is not cool. Is it? If it is negative form, if it is positive form, we can write isn't it. Your father is at home. Is the positive sentence or negative sentence? Positive sentence. Rewrite the same thing. And what is the helping verb? Is. And write here is. And what is that negative form? Positive form? No. So write negative shortcut of not. And write your father. So your father is subjective pronoun is what? He. Isn't he? You will appear. You will appreciate me. Will. So here helping verb is will. Rewrite the same. Will you write? Won't we will write generally. Will not instead we write won't. Okay. We won't say. Generally we use will not. We don't use will not. We use won't. Okay. In the speaking and in the question tag. Usually in that way only we use will and not. It will come won't. And you is the subjective pronoun you as easily copy. We must stay in we stay in Mumbai for 2 days. We stay. Stay means what is the helping verb here? Stay. In stay only do will be. Do. Stays does. Stayed did. I will tell what. We stay do and what is the negative form? Not. And what is the subjective pronoun? We. Okay. Now we learn. If the given sentence is in positive and has the helping verb am, at the time we should add or instead of am while writing in the question tag. So you can understand this one, I think. I am very happy to teach with the ICT board. Aren't I? I am not I. So aren't I, we should write are not I. Am not. Am I not? Am I not also correct? Okay. I am not, I should not write. Am I not or aren't I? If the given statement begins with let us, then we have to use shall we. See, example. Let us watch a movie. Shall we? Shall we? We are not using negative here. Let us watch a movie. Shan't we? We are not saying shall we. Okay, now here if the given sentence does not have an helping verb, at that time we help, at the time the helping verb will be disguised, hidden in the main verb as follows here. Disguised, how that eat. Eat, what is the meaning of eat? Eat means helping verb do is there. Do and eat. Does. Does is there. Does eats. Eats. V1 means eat. So do eat. V1S. It is eats. So does eat. You are not getting, no? So if in the sentence I eat, she eats apple. Question tag does, not she. Okay, eats means does. You have to use the helping verb now while writing the question tags. So you should. Ate. It is V2 form. Did will come. Eaten. It is V3 form. Eaten. What will come? Done. Yes. Generally we won't use that. Okay. Done she, no. The have forms and do forms are also used as main verbs. When these are used as main verbs, they have helping verbs as follows. Have and do forms sometimes act as helping verb. You learned this is the kinds of verbs. Under kinds of verbs, you learned when we use have forms and do forms as main verbs. Okay, have, do. What will come main verb? Have only. Has, does, have only. Had, did, have only. Do only. Does, do only. Okay, you come to know this later. Okay, just to have my idea. If the given statement is an example for request or instruction, then the question tag will you or won't you? Use blue or black point pen. Will you? What you have to use? For there is no subject. So will you only. Indirectly we say that it's you. Imperative sentences. Request and instruction, generally we go for imperative sentences. For imperative sentences we use will you or won't you. If the give statement example for a command, an order or imperative sentence. Imperative sentence is also a request. But here in the sense imperative means subjectless sentence. Here also subjectless sentence. We can write imperative sentence also. But here request and instruction, here command and order. Then the question tag can you, can't you. Hold your tongue, can't you. Shut the door, can't you. Okay, understood. Now question tag, when we use question tag, usually question tag we use in the conversation. In the daily, when we are talking with others, we use the question tags. We use question tags for two reasons and needs. What are those two reasons? To get information or confirmation. When you ask voice raising, VR means voice raising. You are asking for the information or for the confirmation. You can ask, your dad at home. Your dad at home. So what should you write? Dad at home. Your dad at home. Your dad is at home. Isn't he? Your dad is at home. Isn't he? I'm raising my voice. Isn't he? Just your dad is at home. Just you are agreeing. He is there at home. You are just agreeing now. Your dad is at home. Isn't he? Isn't he? I'm raising, falling. I'm downing my voice. My voice is falling. So you are indirectly agreeing that yes, he is. Yes, he is. Is your dad at home? Your dad at home. Your dad is at home. Isn't he? I'm raising my voice. Yes, he is. Falling my tone. You can observe this. So generally we use question tags in this way, right? Okay, now let us some questions. Lekha looks beautiful. Looks, does, and she. Because it's positive, and we use. Let us watch a video. Shall we? Let means shall we. The sweets have been distributed to the students. Have, main verb sweet, and have been is there. So haven't they? You could have asked. Here two helping verbs are here. So the first one will take couldn't you. My father never drinks coffee. Never negative sentence. Does he? The children are the children are talking. Aren't they? Generally aren't they we write aren't, but ain't they? Ain't they? We say that. Mohan is good boy. Isn't he? Understood? So one example I had given here. More examples are there. You when you do practice book, you come to know all this. Thank you, children. Bye bye.